Hello, my name is Rebecca Baxter, and I am researching the oceanic biome. So, the oceanic biome is the largest biotic community that supports and allows various marine life to thrive and live. Some marine life that the ocean includes are birds, fish, reptiles, sea lions, seals, sharks and rays, squid and octopus, whales and dolphins, and so many more. So the five oceans of the world include the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The climate of the ocean usually varies from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to over 100 degrees. So there's a huge variation in weather and the temperature of the water of the ocean. The average temperature, however, is 39 degrees Fahrenheit, but the water is usually warmer near the equator where direct rays of sunlight can warm up the water. Here's a better layout of exactly where the oceans are. So the Arctic Ocean is up here at the top. Then at the bottom, we have the Southern Ocean. Over on the sides, the Pacific Ocean. More of the Pacific Ocean, just around, since it is the largest ocean in the world. Then we have the Indian Ocean right here, and then the Atlantic Ocean right here. So, some of the most important plant life in the ocean include kelp, seagrass, and red algae. So, kelp is usually found throughout colder ocean waters, and it grows along rocky coastlines at depths of 20 to 90 feet. Here's a picture of what kelp would look like usually. Another plant in the ocean is seagrass, and it's one of the most important plants that is actually found in the ocean because it does provide habitat for small marine life and also serves as food for some species of reef fish. Finally, we have red algae, which is usually found in more warm tropical waters, and it is rich in proteins and vitamins, which makes it a popular food source for countries throughout the country of Asia. And there's an example of what red algae would look like. So some animal life in the ocean include things such as invertebrates, sharks, seabirds, turtles, mammals, and fish. So some examples of invertebrates include like starfish, jellyfish, sponges, things like that. And then some examples of sharks are the great white shark, the blue shark, the bull shark, the tiger shark, the hammerhead, and so many more. And then we have seabirds such as the gull, the pigeon, penguins, and tropic birds. Next, some types of turtles include the sea turtle, the green sea turtle, the leatherback turtle, and the flatback turtle. Some mammals we have include seals, whales, manatees, the walrus, sea otters, lions, sea lions, and the polar bear. And then finally, just a few fish we have in the ocean include flounder, sea trout, rockfish, cod, yellowtail fish, bluefish, tuna, and so many more. So, in the ocean, there are 228,450 known species in the ocean, and there are more than 2 million that still remain a mystery. So, a lot of species in the ocean. Some fun facts about the ocean. First of all, about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all of Earth's water, which is a lot. That's almost 100%. So the oceans hold a lot of Earth's water. Next, there are more than 80% of the ocean has never been mapped, explored, or even seen by humans. So that's a lot of undiscovered ocean that we don't even know about. The Pacific Ocean is the largest water mass on the planet, and it covers more than 30% of the Earth's entire surface. Another fun fact is that about 50% of the USA lies beneath the ocean. So that's like a huge percentage of the world that we don't even know about lying underneath the ocean. This is just kind of an image to show you from the sea level, showing like above the ocean versus below the ocean, and kind of just what it looks like from that point of view. Thought it was pretty cool. And then here's my works cited. I found a lot of interesting websites and things that taught me a lot about the ocean, so it was pretty cool. And then thank you so much for watching and listening to my presentation.